Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. Today's lesson we learn about TMP, time, manners, place in German language. How we construct a sentence, simple sentence with time, manners, and place. Time. Time basically means when and how often. Manners, how, who you were with. Place, where and where to. For example, time means 8 Uhr at 8 o'clock. Jeden Tag, every day. Zweimal, twice, 2 times. Am Dienstag, on Tuesday. Mit dem Bus, with the bus. Mit dem Hund, with the hund. Manners. And place is zur Schule, to school. Nach Deutschland, to Germany. So normally we make a sentence subject comes always at the first position. Let's see. Subject at the first position. And the verb is conjugated with the subject. Always. Then we have a am Montag, time. Mit dem Auto, manners. And Nach Deutschland is place. So we make a subject, verb, TMP. Time, manners, place. Time, manner, place. The verb is at second position. But most of the time when we make a sentence, we put time at the first position. Like in English also we say tomorrow I'll go to Delhi. Yeah, I'll go to Delhi tomorrow. So both are correct. But we need to check verb is always at second position. Time first, then verb always at second position. Then subject, then manners, and then object. 90% of the time we use like this and this. Both are correct. But normally we see the sentence, more sentence like time first, then verb, then subject. In few cases, like where we emphasize on manners or a place, we can place manners at the first position as well as the place at the first position. But in all the cases we see verb is always at second position. So when we want to emphasize on something like manners and place, we can put that also in first position, then verb, then subject. But mostly 99% of the time you will see time at a first position, then verb, then subject in present tense like this. Mostly you see this and this. This is only when you want to emphasize on something. Like middle of the story, they want to emphasize on that particular mit dem Auto fliege. But verb is always at a second position. Let's see some of the example. He learns German every day. So every day, jeden Tag, time. Then the verb learned conjugated with the subject at second position, at Deutsch. I go to the cinema once a month. So once a month, einmal pro Monat. Yeah, einmal im Monat. Then verb gehe ich ins Kino. We ate dinner at 20 Uhr, essen wir Abendessen. Time, then the verb, then subject. For am Sonntag fahren wir mit dem Bus nach Goa. Time, verb, subject, manners, place. Am Samstag, time, Spielo, verb, subject, object. I think you have understand this topic. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching this video.